Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing here of the ISO 10.1 inch tablet. It says UMI AIOS on it, 64-bit octa-core Cortex A55. It does have Android 15. So let's get into this unboxing here. I'll move that off to the side for a second here. So we got user guide. We have USB-C to USB-A. It does actually come with a charger here. This is a 10-watt charger, USB-A charger. And put that all back into there. I will also mention this is nice and padded. It's kind of cool to see. Go ahead and get out the tablet itself. Go ahead and take off this little screen thing. Tells you what everything is. All right, very, very reflective. So let's see where these ports are. So it looks like it has dual stereo speakers or stereo speakers. Looks like a mic right there. Headphone jack there. USB-C. There should be an expansion slot. If I had longer nails, I'd be able to get that open a bit easier. Let's see, power button, volume rocker. Yep, there we go. The back also has more plasticiness on it. The camera even has a flash with that camera. This is interesting. There is your front-facing camera. You can't even really notice it. That's pretty cool. It's kind of out of sight. Just right there. Alright, so I went ahead and set it on up. It had a little bit of an update. It took 5-10 minutes to do the update. Not too bad. So this is what we get. Don't want to go on Google. So you have one page, it looks like, and then you have kind of the Google there. Swiping up will bring open all the apps. Swiping down will bring up your quick menus here. Just like on pretty much any other Android device. So let's see, so there's some AI cloud frame. Let's see if there's anything else. A whole bunch of Google stuff. Ukitos, not sure what that one is. Videos, UShow. So a few extra things, but not too much bloatware. That's pretty nice. Alright guys, if you want to see the review, let me know. Alright, so thank you all for watching. And thank you to them for sending me this tablet. See you guys next time. Goodbye.